it's time for your nose now, because Mr. Perfect over here. Let's. I've seen some creepy qualities.
Be careful.
Well,
Why does it hurt so much?
Hi, I'm Sean, and I'm here with Joey.
And we are going to show you how to get ready for a date night with boots. First of all, what we're going to start off with, Sean?
It's got to be the chest. I like to wear a low
Shirt on date night.
Yep.
and the chest has got to be looking smooth.
So we're going to go with Liz Earle Sensitive Shave Cream for men. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my.
You're my little brother, that's fine. If you ever do this before date night, trust me, she's going to fall in love.
100%. Right.
There we go, there we have it. So, Sean will now have a love heart on his chest.
You do realise you've got to shave the middle a bit. I can't have a hairy patch in the middle.
Smooth chest for date night, completed.
Woo!
Did you ever think you'd be in the Love Island villa with me shaving your chest and rubbing your pecs?
No, not a chance.
There you go.
Mum, I've made it. Right, next up, Joey, I've got something special. This is the number 7 Men Energizing Eye Roll-On. This is vital for your everyday routine.
Okay.
You're a busy man, your eyes looking baggy, you know, you've got to be turning up to date night looking fresh.
Yeah. And also, the main thing you're looking at when you go on a date is the other person's eyes.
Exactly.
At all times. So this is so important.
So important. Right, you give it a little squeeze, roll it under the eyes.
And also it gives a cold little touch. So like de-puffs as well.
100%.
Feels so good. I think you meant to do that as well after it. You need to rub it in. Think. God, I feel fresh. How nice is that? Mate, you look glowing already.
So do you.
Yeah. Trust me, you need this.
Look at the glow.
You know what though? You've actually got really nice eyes as well.
So do you.
Have I?
I think I'm catching feelings with this.
Same. I was asking that same thing like your eyes.
Come on in.
Sean. God, this really works.
Love at first sight.
I don't go anywhere in the world without the Weleda Skin Food Cream. I don't honestly, it's my go-to. I brought this into the villa. I use it every day, you know, just to make my skin as moisturised and as soft as possible. It's a 2-in-1 product. You can take it around everywhere with you, and you can use it for your face and your body, so it's perfect. Have a bit of that.
Everyone loves a 2-in-1.
Exactly.
Right, I'm going for the
No
face.
messing about with a Weleda.
Little blob.
No messing about. Little blobs.
I'm a blobber.
I'll do this. I'll give myself a little moisture. I'll give myself a little little massage with it. Look, it's like perfect massage cream.
Oh my God, the smell.
How nice is that? It's like you've just come out of a spa.
Yeah.
Literally.
Spa vibes.
Spa vibes. Literally so smooth and just feels amazing, doesn't it?
Oh, the game is going to be so loose on this date.
I know. You already look smooth.
So
you
do
look so smooth right now.
You are glowing.
Thank you. Tweezer man. Before date night, you need to make sure that you are honestly going out smooth around the eyes and smooth around the nose.
There's nothing worse than a monobrow.
So look, I'm gonna where have you got? Oh my God, Sean, what have you been doing?
Is it a jungle?
Mate, it's a bush. Oh, there you go.
All right, mate, it's time for your nose
Go on,
now,
go on.
because Mr. Perfect over here. I've seen some creepy qualities.
be careful. Why does it hurt so much?
Right, one more. There's a big one here.
Mate.
Look at that bad boy. Hey, look, you're pulling now. I might be pulling. Now I've pulled your nose hair, you're going to be pulling later on, so you're all good to go.
I mean, Tweezer man, trusted. I've got one myself in my cupboard right now in blue. They're sick. I would always use these for date night.
Joey, I can't lie, you whiff a bit.
You don't smell too good either under your
You
arms.
can't be rocking up to date night like that.
Jeez. Mate, you know what we do need then? Men Sure Invisible Ice Fresh.
100%. I always put this on every morning, every evening. You've got to be smelling fresh as possible for date night. You can't have BO. Spray, get laid.
Mate, no spray, no lay.
100%.
Oh, mate, much better. One little spray.
Fresh. Feel light already.
Come on, G. Bad boy, Carolina Herrera. This is peng.
I've used this before. My success rate is through the roof on date night. 100%.
What, literally lips in everything?
Literally. It's like you walk in the room and it's like you've kissed them already with your smell.
Right, let's give you a little spray. Oh my.
Look, you'll be a bad boy like me in the villa.
Mate, I can't believe
wearing this.
There's only one bad boy in this video right now, and that's you, Sean.
That's you.
So you need to spray. You need a lot more of this.
I've learned from the king bad boy.
There you go. It smells like a bad boy smell, but we got good boy intentions, innit?
Only good intentions.
Only good intentions.
This is how I finished the look with the VO5 Mega Hold Gel Spray. Right, you know why this is so good, Jai?
Tell me.
Right, in date situations when things get hot and steamy and your hair might get a bit frizzy, well, fear not, because this is 24-hour frizz control. So my hair is going to be staying perfect no matter what the occasion.
All night.
All night long.
Show me. Nice.
Just that, run your fingers through it.
It already looks so much better.
I think we're done, you know? Just double check.
Let me have a little check out. Do you know what? Wow, my nose looks way better.
You're smelling so much better than what you did.
And your hair looks amazing.
Big thanks to Boots.
Yeah, big thanks to Boots. What are you saying? Thanks for watching how we get ready to get all the girls.
If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe
To the Boots YouTube channel. Right, I think that's it. We're ready for date night.
Let's do it.
Let's go.